Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is not going to be very informative because this week I need your guys' help. So as some of you may know, I started making my resin tail, my Rose Quartz inspired tail, and I've just had the biggest art block ever. My ADHD brain is just going crazy at the moment and it's just jumping to other things. If you've seen a few of my other videos, you know that I've made an individually scaled silicone tail, and then I made a video talking about all the mistakes that I've made, things that I would do differently. In that video I said that I would add more contrasting colors and more accents to my tail to make it more interesting. And with Rose Quartz, obviously it's going to be a bit boring when everything is pink. So I've got my scales here, the ones that I made so far. Some of them are in like bags because they're all different categories. Some of them are like finished, ready to sew onto the fabric. Some of them need filing or drilling or anything like that. But basically it's this very pretty pink color. If you've seen my videos from 2 weeks ago, you know the drill. What I also said in that video was to keep consistent with the color. So that's what I'm doing with the scales, even though it's painful because I love experimenting with so many pigments that I have, and like they all have different effects. My brain is getting bored of making the same thing all over again. But it's gonna be worth it at the end, hopefully. So what I was thinking is to add some like white and gold accents and maybe white stripes with gold around them. So the base of the tail is going to be pink and then white stripes with gold around them. I'm not sure. I'm so conflicted about this idea. But anyway, that is my big question to you guys. What do you think about adding white and gold scales to this tail? Do you have any other ideas for a color that would go with this kind of pink? Like a rose quartz, crystal kind of theme? Please let me know. I know there's so many creative people watching this video, so please let me know. Even if you think that your idea is like dumb, it might be genius, so just let it out. Please tell me. And with that, I also have another question. Remember when I made my individually scaled silicone tail, I made quite a bit of sample scales or scales that I didn't end up using in different colors, and now I have no idea what I could do with them. So I made my bracers, so they're just like little arm cuffs or like bracelets that you put, I like to put them kind of on my bicep, you know, just so I can look a bit cooler. And they turned out really cool. But all the scales I have left are kind of mismatchy. So yeah, I'm not sure. I was thinking about making an extension belt for a mermaid tail. You know, sometimes when you buy a silicone tail that is like a second-hand one, it doesn't fit you properly. Another one I had was to make a bra, but also maybe some sort of art piece or like a decoration, like a wall decor, or maybe pick a few of my favorites and then frame them in like a 3D frame to make it like a biology exhibition type of thing. You know what I mean? Like when you have like butterflies in a frame, to make it something like this but with mermaid scales, and to make it like sciencey but magical. I don't know, what else could we do with this? I've got 3 whole boxes and I'm sure I can find some more somewhere. I'm hoping to go back to making my scales this week. I'm gonna focus and I'm gonna make my resin scales again. Because we need a lot of them, guys. Yeah, that's the plan. Finish the whole tail actually for the beginning of February. And next week, what I'm gonna do is show you guys the design that I come up with. I already started doing it, but it's a bit tricky. I need to figure it out. And also I need to take that fabric, take a few scales and make that fabric sample because I want to see how it looks. If anything needs changing, it's better to know now than later on. So yeah, sorry this video wasn't very insightful, informative or anything like that, but this week I really need you guys to help me, please. In case you want to see any of my other videos, last week I actually did a gaming video. which is out of character, definitely, just random. And 2 weeks ago, I made a video about making my resin scales and molds, so it's a bit more productive. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your input, for your help, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!